What's up, boards? Another day, another fishing adventure na po. Kuhig na ko. Wanggahin as na po. Bob Christ ba? Kadong ta spot, boards. Our spot for today, Turas Tomoy. Kana kinatom yan mo na. So naata dire karon na. Yan nato dire nga spot, boards. Kuha ba ta dire? May ta makakuha ta. Let's go! Shout out. Shout out.
Shout out sa tanang anglers kalibutan. Yahoo!
Karon, boards, andam ta sa to ang pagkaon, boards. Tara, boards. Tay bulina, boards, kinilaw. Ito ning trabaho on ron, boards. Catch of the day. First catch by Bob Christ. Pantul ilo na. Release na, boards, ay. Ilo ka na, boards. Yeah, fish on. Kaon tagbahaw, boards. Nabulinaw, niguro tadaan kay ito ara. Atobs, sobra ron. Ilaw ba? Ang bahaw.
Kilaw.
Good, so katambak na po. Kachamba na po ta, boards. Kachambak, boards. Bob Christ, oh. Bob Christ. Tahan ni kumbay. Dako kay bay. Good size. Lah, yawa ko kumigoy. Good size, oh. Kani. Dako asan ni ko may fish on, boards.
50 grams.
50 grams, ah. Oh, fish on. Boards. Woo! Tapos ka na, oh.
Ayan, good size. What the fuck?
Good size, boards. Hey! Hala! Kaya ta nakakuha yun, bay. Woo! Kaya ta nakakuha yun. Yes! Wala, nakuha niyo siya, boards. Paul hook, boards. Nakayasa.
Paul hook.
Rami ay.
Paul hook.
Nadala giskogi ay. Effective ginang lura, boards. No.
Dito ta magkabay lovers kita ko pa mo.
Okay na.
Lakshama. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
What's up, boards? So mo na to, boards. Mana mi og pamasol. Mana nga to ang fishing adventure, boards. Mo na to nakakuha nami og trevally. Tagsa mi og kuha trevally nga katong sang tao. Naligo na. Eh padong nami uli. Mo na mong spot, boards. Mo na mong spot. Yeah, board, salamat kayo sa inyong pagtanaw ng video, board. Sa sunod na po fishing adventure, board, unta kuyogan ko ninyo. Bye bye, board, salamat sa pagtanaw.